Hi everybody, it's the editor here from Robin Hood Dashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always, are enjoying the videos. Welcome back to volume 13 of the Cutting Room Floor series. If you're not new here, you know exactly what to expect. If you are new to this series, essentially these are all the clips that didn't make it into a normal dashcam compilation video. We'll have a usual normal video out next week, 4:30 on Friday, but for now, to mark Easter, please enjoy the latest edition of the Cutting Room Floor series. That's enough waffle from me, folks. Thank you so much. A happy Easter to all if you celebrate it. If you don't, have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you soon. Take care.
Back. So I was like, well, I've got a scalpel and cutting mat at home. I'll just buy the big boards and cut it up.
You give me no choice. Just walking the streets with a hedge trimmer. Do you take your hedge trimmer and power tools for walks? Well, experts are saying that 1 in 5 of us does. Oh, what are you saying? Sorry, I interrupted you.
I was going to say, that back window looks interesting.
Yeah, it's definitely one repair. I noticed that to be there. Wow, aren't I lucky? Stuck behind a P and an L plate.
Red light camera.
In fairness though, they are making pretty good progress, so I can't knock it, but some people have a big issue driving behind people that are still learning or just recently passed. Well, these two are alright. I'm only joking.
It's a successful on the jazz.
With extra stickers. It says
God is best.
It does say God is best.
Just say God is best.
Now we know. Whoa, big.
That was a big puff of smoke.
Whoa, what a big puff of smoke.
Okay. Sheeps.
Social media moment. Crochet on a postbox. Wow.
Oh! Red-tailed hawk.
Red-tailed hawk now. Phantom pothole fillers. Yeah, wonder that though. How much of a Karen she is?
I don't really know. I mean, she came to our wedding.
A non-wireless router upstairs. Nobody. So, why is everyone queuing in this lane? This lane is perfectly okay. There's nothing in it.
Totally chill.
Wonder about some folks. I really do. Okay. I was you.
spent the whole time trying to get in this
there's
lane.
a dasher. There it is.
I told you there's a dash end.
I'm going to wave at the dash
No. Oh.
Princess.
Hello. No.
No, not today.
Not a performing monkey.
Oh, chill dashend.
Stands, which are they're Kim's projects for launching.
Yeah.
So
Pulled off and was moving. Yeah, his houses are even there. Okie doke. That's better. Right. Know who that is. Don't know the answer. No, right. Good to know. We timed the parking.
Yeah, we did.
Right, 3 hours, didn't we?
yeah.
So we go this way.
Oh, okay.
It said the sign say till summer. That's going to be a problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not coming through town.
It says till summer 2025.
Yeah, I'm not coming through town. There's absolutely have to. Now, fixing the road now.
It's unexpected.
Christmas Eve.
Including yesterday, the FBI confirmed the New Orleans suspect was radicalized by ISIS, with claims he was poisoned in a Texas mosque. Is rising Islamic terror a huge threat to the USA, and will Donald Trump declare war on that? But first, is your headline.
Good old Overfinch, V8. Question is though, if it is stolen, well, when it inevitably is stolen, how far are they going to get before it falls to pieces? Answers and guesses in the comments, please. You may as well. You weren't going to bother waiting in the small queue of traffic behind me, were you?
Oh, have you?
Where exactly you wishing to go?
A very tall bit.
Yeah, there's that paper where it's all showing, you see.
What's that say on the back of that bit?
Hello.
Hello, MC.
Something like that.
A handprint, lovely, lovely. Love to see a bit of urban artwork.
It's lovely. Out the way, you stupid bird.